All right, we are here for May's Mystery Tackle Box reveal. There you go. This is the Pro Box. So let's get into it. First off, we got the tips and tricks, readable stuff. There you go. You like a newsletter that you get every single month. There you go. Next is a sticker. Looks like a crankbait with a parachute. There you go. Next is a D&LTackle. Yep. From Bradley Roy. It's a special jig. It feels like a tungsten weight on top of it. I mean, that's made with it for the head. It's like a pumpkin green with a little bit of blue in it. And then we got a Strike Pro walking bait. There you go. I don't know if you can see the paddles on it. There you go. Alright. Next is a Bagley Spinner Shad. Spinner R Shad, sorry. There you go. I like that color in it. Nice little color that they put in their bait. Here's some tips and tricks on how to pop it and walk it for that bait I just showed you for the Strike Pro. There you go. On the back side, it shows how to do jigging and with your plastics there. I'm sure that are in the box there too, but that's how you use those also. This card right here is what's in the box. Should have shown you that first. That's what's in the box and how much it costs, supposedly. Here's some offset worm hooks. There you go. Here is, looks like some paddle tail worms or some hook worms. Kind of hard to tell here. With the green and purple. There you go. Get a better look at them right there. All right. You don't see very many baits with a lot of purple in it. And here's your crawls. Floating crawls by X Zone. There you go. Black and blue. And Riot. Little bitty miniature crawls that are black and blue. There you go. And that's it for the box for this month. I appreciate you guys watching. Always like and subscribe as always. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And catch you next month. See you.